Yo guys, welcome back to another video. And in today's video we're talking about tropical depression Fred and um potential tropical cyclone number 7, which could become Grace. And the models have been saying that this storm will become a major hurricane as it heads towards the Bahamas, the South Carolina, North Carolina. Should hit either should hit Georgia, South Carolina, or the Outer Banks of Florida. It will make landfall in the Bahamas as you know a probably a moderate hurricane. No, um probably a high end tropical storm or something. So it is meant to become a tropical storm by the next advisory. It's moving west at 21 miles per hour. Elsa was moving a lot faster than this, and Elsa sheared itself. So it's gonna go over Dominican Republic again. If it does that, we'll be looking at a weaker storm. One is because what happened to Fred? Well, Fred was looking good before it made landfall over the Dominican Republic. And once it made landfall over the Dominican Republic, Haiti, it really, it sheared itself. And those high mountains in the Dominican Republic, right? Any tropical system goes over it. Doesn't matter what strength it is, even if it's a Category 5, a Category 1, a tropical storm, a tropical depression, it will shear it. And Fred does not look good. If I show you Fred right now, if this gets named, this will become Fred. The next advisory, they're going to update it to a tropical depression. Or, even if it boosts its wind, if the pressure goes down, and boosted its wind up a bit, we could be seeing a tropical depression. But tomorrow night, at 18Z, on the 18Z run, they will the aircraft recon will be going into this storm, and by tomorrow, hopefully this should become Grace, Tropical Storm Grace. And you guys in the Leeward Islands have to watch out for some tropical storm watches. You've got tropical storm watches for the Bushes Virgin. Well, not for the Bushes, not the Virgin Islands. For like the Leeward Islands. I don't know what part of Leeward Islands they are. Probably like Saint Martin, but Barbuda, and then obviously Puerto Rico. You have to watch out for some tropical storm conditions as well. Same with you, Haiti and Dominican Republic, and same with you, Cuba. You could get tropical storm warning. Same with you in the Turks and Caicos Islands, Bahamas, Freeport, Nassau, and you guys in Florida. So, if we go into the Eastern Pacific and we have a look at Hurricane Linda. Right, Linda is now a Category 2 hurricane. Right, 105 miles per hour. Earlier on today, this was a Category 1. The NHC does expect it to become a Category 3, but that's its peak. I think it will become a Category 3. So, there is a tropical depression in the Western Pacific, but we won't be talking about that yet until it gets named. The next name in there is Omitus or whatever, Omot or Omitus. Next name in the Atlantic after Grace will be Henry, and we could be seeing Henry's very shortly, actually. So we go into tropical tidbits, right? Forecast models, right? Regions. North Atlantic, right? If I show you the models, guys, right? This is us from today, and obviously, the GFS is not picking up on the storm and forming for some odd reason. They're probably still keeping it as a potential tropical cyclone for some odd reason. Don't know why, don't know how, but yeah. And then it's going over Haiti. Then in the latest model run, that was the 6Z run. This is the 12Z run now. They said it was going to be a major hurricane. Hit on July the 22nd. No, on August the 22nd to the 25th. Alright, I'll show you the 6Z run because the 6Z run was more reliable, you know, to track Grace. So, we're going to the 6Z run Friday the 13th of August. Friday the 13th of August. I'm recording this about 6 p.m. UK Standard Time. Needing out well 7 o'clock or 7 o'clock UK Standard Time. And yeah, well no, 6 o'clock UK Standard Time actually, and British Standard Time. So anyway, as you can see on the model runs, that you do have Fred, which will become, well, I'm not saying it will, but it might become a tropical storm. If we have a look on the 6C run, the 6C run was hinting at a category 3, but the 0Z run was hinting at a category 4. Hitting Georgia and South Carolina. So, I don't know if this will become true. But, as you can see, it heads toward, it takes up northern track. If it takes up northern track, then it will become a strong system. But if it takes up westerly track, to where Fred took that track, then it will weaken. Because Fred was supposed to go over Puerto Rico, but he didn't go over Puerto Rico. So, you see, as you can see, look, this is a 954 millibar storm right now. Does weaken a bit during landfall, which is good. But if you have a look at this time on the 0Z for Friday, right, look at this. A category 4 hurricane. 940 millibars. Now, the GFS has been showing this for 4 continuous days. So, we don't know if it will become a major hurricane. But we're going to have to wait until the 18Z run comes out. If they are predicting another hurricane, right? If they are predicting a major hurricane, at least category 4 strength, then you guys in the British Virgin Islands, the Leeward Islands, Puerto Rico, Dominican Republic, Cuba, Turks and Caicos Islands, Bahamas, Florida, Georgia, South Carolina, North Carolina, New Jersey, New York, you could all experience tropical storm force winds. So, just in case, get your kits ready. I'm not saying this will become a major hurricane, but the GFS has been showing this for 4 days. So, if this does come true, maybe, just maybe, that it might become a hurricane, a major hurricane. I don't know. I'm not saying nothing. But as you can see, GFS would say a different word if we look at, well, yeah, this time on the 0 they literally had this storm peaking at, actually, this is a 12-0, actually. They've got the storm peaking at a category 4, which is very strong indeed. But then weakens a little bit, probably due to some wind shear, or maybe even an eye wall replacement cycle. So, simulated IR satellite imagery. Well, this storm actually on August the 18th does look quite good, but now it looks disgusting. 17th, actually, from here it looks like it, at least the high end, from here it looks like at least a high end tropical storm. Same with here, but then it looks like it weakens. But then if it strengthens to high end tropical storm, it then weakens again. I'm not saying this, but it could be a thingy. So anyway, 7L. Let's look at 7L. Right, so 7L right now actually looks quite good, but then it's going to organize itself together. Wait, no. Let me 200 millimile. Let me turn it on properly. Right. I don't know if this is the right model. Shoot. No, it's not. Right, no. Let me go back. Back. Right, that's it. GFS. 7L. Right, now the GFS was being consistent, but I don't think they will form this. Nah, I don't form it in the Leeward Islands. GFS has it going over Haiti and Dominican Republic. The GFS does not form this system whatsoever. Now, does the HWRF form this system? The HWRF... Oh my flipping god. The HWRF has it as a hurricane, not as strong as the GFS was saying, but 981 millibars, that is a Category 1 hurricane. Borderline Category 2. So, if this actually does come true, you guys need to be watching out for hurricane force winds. And if this does miss the coast of the Dominican Republic and it retracts over the south of Haiti, just off the coast, and reforms again, then you could be seeing a major hurricane. But I'm not saying that you could, nothing. But as you can see, 999. But then oh my god, actually becomes a Category 2. This is actually the track of the system. This looks like the track of this system. If it goes more north, it will become stronger. But yeah, it's meant to be going overland, over Haiti and the Dominican Republic, which means it will be sheared. But wait, no. is it take? Wait, is the NHC saying that this will take the Yeah, I think they are saying that it's gonna take the. Yeah, they're definitely saying that this is gonna take the HWRF track, but the HWRF has it as a little bit far south. You see, so yeah. Anyway, right, hurricane. CMC actually, I don't think the CMC forms this system. To be honest, CMC is always an outlandish model. The CMC has not been a good model. The only model that's been good was the last year. The CMC predicted Laura to become a Category 4. And guess what? It became a Category 4. So, yeah. This system does not go... Well, apparently it does form, but over flipping land. But why? GFS... No, not the GFS. HMON. Right, the HMON says it might form. Yet the HMON says it's actually gonna form. But they have it as a very, very weak tropical storm. And the remnants goes in the south of thingy for some reason. But the HWRF _P or something, they are consistent. HWRF is consistent, and so does the GFS. They are saying that this will become a major hurricane. GFS and HWRF now is picking up on this system, and they are saying it's going to become a major hurricane. Well, the HWRF isn't, but you know, if this does track into the Gulf, who knows what will happen? Because, the Gulf of Mexico has enough fuel right now. It's 31 degrees Celsius in some places. And if a storm forms over there, that's it. You're definitely screwed for this season. 7L. Right. As you can see, the GFS was consistent this morning on the 6E run of saying that this was going to become a hurricane. But now, they're having it more south and it's going to be weakening. I don't know, I don't see the point why it's doing that, but to be honest, yeah. So anyway, I'm going to show you some satellite imagery of Tropical Depression Fred, and I think in the latest frames it is starting to fire up convection on its center. I don't know, I'll have a look, but the best place to have a look is Weather Nerds. Weather Nerd Satellite. Right, Weather Nerd Satellite. I should recommend you guys going on Weather Nerds. It's actually quite good anyway. It's night time now over Cuba right now, but as you can see, the center circulation does have some convection over it. So, if you guys really like this, content, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share. And Fred is now firing up convection where its LLC is. It might get a center relocation. If it does that, it's going to be moved far west, and it might become a strong storm if it does that. but models aren't saying it will. So you don't know. It might surprise us if you don't know. So yeah. Anyway, guys, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, and I shall see you all in the next storm. Peace and have a